Hey guys, in this video we're gonna see a new framework called Micro Django or New Django. This will be the micro version of Django that they have introduced here. So we see this repo, and this one is a miniature version of the Django application. Okay, so here, as you see this code here, this one is just added settings over here and ASGI handler here, and they added views, all this in one file. Okay, that is udjango.py. Okay, so for running this we are gonna use this uvcon to run the application server. Okay, this one just looks like the Flask itself. So this one is a miniature version if you want use Django itself. Okay, so what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna convert our previous Imedge project back into this one. Okay, so because this one is very simple and you don't have to use a very complex backend framework. Okay, this is a micro framework, so I'm gonna change it to that one. Okay, so let's get started. So this is our previous project Imedge, which will compress the image and also convert the image. Okay, so here we have used multiple imports. Here for Micro Django we are not going to use REST framework. Okay, we are just going to use JSON response from HTTP itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just I'm going to go here and go on folder back and create a new folder called Imedge Micro. So I'm gonna create this. Inside it, like they mentioned here, I'm gonna create a Micro Django file, Python file. Okay, so let's create this file. I'm sorry. Okay, so we have created it and I'll open it in a code itself. Okay, so we have created it here and this here. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this and paste it in here. So here they have added async view to make the viewers understand that it supports async views also. So for our project we don't need this async view, so let's delete this. And before that we'll import response, but they have already imported HTTP, so we don't need to go here and import some other things. So let's copy code from image. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is we don't need this decorator here, so let's copy this. Okay, both the views. Okay, so I have copied this and go over here and paste it in here. Okay, so here we need to import multiple imports, so let's copy this also, this one, and base 64. Okay, we'll import it later on. We'll go here and import one import base 64. Okay, so now everything will be gone, and in here in place of response we are gonna use JSON response. Okay, so here I'm gonna use JSON response here. So here dot JSON response. Okay, so all the response has to be changed to JSON response so that it could give a right response for us. Let me copy everything and paste it here. Okay, here and here. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this decorator, and also we're gonna remove the statuses also. Okay, okay, I think I have deleted all the things. Okay, finally we need to add urls.py also. So go here and copy these two paths and paste it in URL path. Okay, here they have mentioned as urls.path here we have mentioned this path. Okay, so let's add it from here. This URLs is from Django URLs. Okay, so we have created this. Let's add a comma here. Okay, I think everything is fine now. So let me go here, and they have also to insist us to install these packages, and let's install those. Open a terminal. Okay. Okay, let's install those. We have already installed Django, so we don't need to install this. Just install UVCon. Okay, UVCon is installed here. So now what I'm going to do is just copy this command and we'll just run it. Okay, so here let me add this, and if I run this, it will start the server. Okay, on the same Django port itself, it will start it. Okay, let me give you an example here. So I'm gonna go to the Postman, and we already have the convert image. Okay, the convert image view, and also we're gonna go to this path itself. Okay, so let's go to this. It's the root path, and if I make a get request, I'll get a hello world, because I have a view here that is giving us hello world. Okay, so similarly, and if I make request for convert image, for this I'm gonna select a file here, and this one is for converting image. So what I'm going to do is this, I choose this. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so I go here and open this. Now it will be added. So if I click give this post request, now I'll get a base 64 version of the image. Okay, of the JSON image. Okay, so it can be downloaded on the front end. All right, so simple as that. We have got the response on a single Django file. So similarly for compress image also. So let me add this from a local machine. So let's give this normal image, and first let's delete this. Okay, so this image, and we have added this, and if I make a post request, okay, error compressing image. What's the error? Okay, this one. Okay, this JSON response is the error. So if I again go here and make a post request, now I will get this base64 encoded converted image. Okay, it's similar to the previous Django project of Imedge. If you followed that video, you will understand why it gives base64 output. Okay, so this one works with the front end also. So the front end is same as this one. So this response could be passed into a JPEG file or the converted image file or compressed file. Okay, so on the front end itself. All right, so this is how this framework works. I hope you like it, and in the documentation or on the GitHub page itself, they have mentioned that the code is for demonstration purposes, and code can be released in the production on your own risk. Okay, because this is in a developmental stage. So if you want more details, I'll provide the repo link in the description. All right, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.